Hi guys, this is Bupin the Tube. Today I want to show you how to fold your shirts. Let's go ahead and start doing. So here's our shirt. After ironing it, of course, what you got to do in the front side, put the top button. Just tie the top button. Tie the button. Tie the bottom button. Then turn it to the side. Make it flat and nice. Bring one arm to the other side. Pull a little bit from the side. It's almost an arm length. Then fold the arm to its side around the edge. Repeat the same process to the other side. Put the arm, bring the arm back. Almost done. Now turn it 1/3 and turn it another 1/3, and here we are, properly folded shirt. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful and you learn how to tie your shirt, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.